Ow! It's shooting plastic at me.
Oh, dude, it's actually working. I'm losing all the teeth. Nice.
Yes. Don't use your hands. It's dangerous.
It's satin black. Oh, it's okay. It's clean.
We've got 2 Vossen watches left. This is our Harry wrist model.
Why do you look so uncomfortable right now?
He's just jealous. No.
Vossen HF-5 in satin black, 20 by 10 and a half. Fitment is for a G-wagon. Surprisingly, we have never done a satin black HF-5 before. This is our first one, so it's kind of cool. We've done a bronze, we've even done a purple one. Can't believe we did a purple one before we did a satin black one. Excited to see how this looks on the G-wagon. And here's an idea of the concavity. As you can see, it is pretty deep. And the great part is the front wheels and the rear wheels have the same offset, so it's gonna look concave front and rear. Love these cutouts on the HF-5s. They just make it look so mean and so technical. If you guys can see these little ridges here, it runs all along the edge of the wheel. This is called knurling. With this, they actually grip onto the tires to reduce tire slippage. It's really cool to see that on every hybrid forged wheel that they create. A lot of wheels in this price range won't even have this.